found an amazing AI tool that makes creating thumbnails effortless. Just describe what you want, and it works like magic. If you look at Mr. Beast's thumbnails, you can see the immense effort put into them. He has mentioned in some podcasts that thumbnails are crucial for YouTube's success. To help you create eye-catching thumbnails like these, I'm using an incredible AI tool called Pikzels. You can find the link in the description below. To start using the AI tool, join their Discord server by clicking Join the Discord. It looks like this. There's a how-to section that explains the difference between a bad prompt and a good prompt. For example, make a thumbnail for a Minecraft video is a bad prompt because it lacks specifics. You need to provide detailed descriptions of how you want your thumbnail to look. In the example below, to create an AI thumbnail, I've already tested this AI tool. In this example, I sent a Mr. Beast thumbnail, and the AI tool recreated it. Now, I will send a short prompt to see what it will create. Here it is. I found a flaw. The image is too distant and the face is showing no emotion. There's an easy fix for that. Click Edit Thumbnail and type your desired changes. I'll say zoom in on the face and more vibrant colors, press Submit, and here you have it. The difference is remarkable. I might even replace one of my own thumbnails with it. You can keep editing it further if you want. You can also create your own thumbnail. Here's how. In the text bar, just type /thumbnail. You enter your prompt there and voila, it's going to create your own thumbnail. You also can edit this one the way you want. The tool also has a face swap option where you can input a Google image link and it will replace the face. I'll leave that for you to try out. Regarding pricing, you can see the prices listed here. I recommend the premium account for the best value, but there's also a free option available on the Discord server, so give it a try. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do me a favor and put your most creative prompts in the comments.